everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you step-to-step process on how you can log into your Google account on your computer. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your web browser first on your computer and type accounts.google.com and enter. In the sign-in page, enter your email or phone number to your Google account. In case you forgot the email, click on Forgot Email and click on the next button. Now on the next page, enter a valid password to your Google account. In case you forgot the password, in case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. After you're done entering your password, click on the next button. After this simple step, you'll be logged into your Google account on your computer. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll be back with more tutorials soon. Keep watching.